What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on YouTube Music that's only private for you and your friends. So basically, whoever has the link to your playlist will be able to see it. Otherwise, when they click on your profile, they won't be able to see it. So if this is something you're interested in, just stick around and I'll show you how to do it real quick. So you're going to want to go to YouTube Music in the first place, and you're going to need YouTube Premium for that. So that's the subscription that costs like 10 bucks USD a month, and it gives you a bunch of YouTube features and comes with YouTube Music. So you'll see it now, or you'll probably already see it if you don't have it anyways. But now when you click on it at the left hand side here, you're brought to this site, YouTube Music, and you're actually able to use it. So it's kind of like a Spotify, but made by Google. And if you want to make your private playlist, go to Library up here, and then go to Playlists, and then click New Playlist, and then Playlist for my friends, whatever, test description. And now on privacy, instead of public, I'm going to choose unlisted, which kind of describes what I said at the start of the video here. And it looks like create. And I'm just going to add a song or two to it. So we just add something like that, and then maybe add another one. Playlist for my friends. Okay. So going back to the playlist for my friends, I'm going to grab the link for it and basically show you how to share it. So go to library again, go to the one you created, and now click on the three dots, click on share, and copy this link. And now you can just send it in any chat you want. You don't have to click on one of these. Like, you can open a Facebook chat and send it. But now when someone grabs that link and they paste it in here, they'll be able to see your YouTube music playlist if they have YouTube Music as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, I had it, looks like all of NF's album in one click to that, which is pretty cool. Didn't mean to do that. I thought I was adding just one song, but added the whole playlist, or the whole album to my playlist. So that's that. And one more thing, once you create this, you'll also be able to see it on your YouTube. So if I do a refresh here, you'll be able to see playlist for my friends is now here, and all the videos that have the music in them are also here, because that's what YouTube Music is. Just grabs the YouTube videos with the songs and just makes it into like a Spotify. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.